Every day, your business generates millions of data points. Most teams never see what's inside them. SQL queries, waiting on data teams, reports that arrive too late to act on. Your data has the answers, but getting to them takes too long. There's a better way. Introducing SutiDAnalytics, the AI-powered data analytics platform built for every team. Connect any database, build interactive dashboards, and let AI surface the insights your business needs in minutes. Ask your data a question in plain English and get a real answer instantly. Let AI predict trends before they become problems. From line and bar to candlestick, heat map, funnel, and beyond. Every chart type your team needs in one place. Track live KPIs, schedule reports to the inboxes that matter. Trusted by finance, healthcare, retail, SaaS, and manufacturing teams worldwide, and built to the enterprise security standards your business demands. Stop analyzing, start deciding. SutiDAnalytics turns raw data into confident decisions for every team, every industry, every day. For more information, please visit our website www.SutiDAnalytics.com, email us at sales@sutisoft.com, or call 6509-697-8884 to learn more.